Ever wondered which drone is perfect for you or how to fly safely, legally, and like a pro? Drone Knowledge Academy is your ultimate guide to everything drones, made for beginners, hobbyists, and experienced pilots alike. We cover every type of drone, from small, beginner-friendly quadcopters to advanced professional drones, explaining their features, strengths, and which situations they work best in. Flying a drone isn't just about picking the right model, it's about understanding the rules, regulations, and best practices that keep you and everyone around you safe. That's why we break down complex laws in a simple, easy-to-understand way, including flight limits, no-fly zones, registration requirements, and tips to avoid common mistakes that many new pilots make. But drones aren't just about rules, they're about skill. We provide step-by-step guidance to improve your flying techniques, capture cinematic footage, manage battery life, and handle common issues that every pilot encounters. You'll also learn how to get creative with your drone, experiment with camera settings, use different flight modes, and explore accessories that can take your aerial photography and videography to the next level. We even share insider tips and tricks that can make your flights safer, smoother, and more enjoyable, whether you're flying for fun, photography, or commercial purposes. Your questions shape our content. Ask in the comments, and we'll answer in upcoming videos. Subscribe to Drone Knowledge Academy today.